The wildfires are engulfing entire homes as they sweep across acres of Los Angeles. Firefighters are struggling to contain the spread.
We are not out of danger. The National Weather Service has predicted that the winds are going to pick up and get worse. We're going to have the most significant wind event between 10 p.m. this evening and 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it's incumbent that everybody have a wildfire action plan for their home.
The brush fire broke out on Tuesday morning in the coastal Pacific Palisades neighborhood. Strong, dry winds eased its spread into other areas in the foothills in northeast Los Angeles. Some residents did their best to try to extinguish the flames. Tens of thousands fled their homes, causing traffic jams on the narrow roads. Some escaped just in time.
I mean, I've never seen anything. Fires were this close to the cars. People left their cars on Palisades Drive. Burning up the hillside, the palm trees, everything's going. And the wind and the firemen are great, but you can only do so much.
Property damage is property damage. Losing lives, dogs, animals, horses, a lot of horses in the neighborhood. So, yes, so that's what mattered.
The blazes raged across thousands of acres in a matter of hours. Off-duty firefighters are being called in to help their colleagues on the ground, who are now facing a battle on several fronts.